What's up everyone, today we're exposing Magvolt Pro, a charger flooding your social media feeds, claiming to be a revolutionary smart charger that charges faster, heals your battery, and extends device life. But is this real technology or just a $2 charger marked up 7,000%? Let's expose the truth. So Magvolt Pro markets itself as an advanced smart charger with features like ultra-fast charging, battery healing technology, temperature cool control, and device protection. They claim it uses premium materials, is endorsed by experts, and can extend your battery's lifespan by reversing damage. Sounds impressive, right? Here's the scam. The Magvolt charger is widely considered a dropshipping scam. The product is marketed as a premium smart charger with advanced features, but in reality, it's a generic USB wall charger that can be purchased from wholesale sites like AliExpress or Alibaba for less than $2. Sellers rebrand these cheap chargers, create fancy websites with fake reviews and scientific sounding claims, then sell them for $30 to $140. You're paying premium prices for the cheapest possible product. Here's what tech experts claim. A charger cannot repair pre-existing damage caused by chemical reactions in a lithium-ion battery. The claim that integrated smart circuits reverse the aging process of your battery and heal past damage is scientifically impossible and completely false. Once battery damage occurs from chemical degradation, no charger can reverse it. This is basic physics and chemistry. It's not a matter of opinion, it's a scientific fact. What you're actually getting is a basic USB charger with no special features. The same product available on AliExpress for under $2. No battery healing technology because that doesn't exist. No premium materials, just cheap plastic and basic components, fake certifications and endorsements that can't be verified. Here are some real user experiences. Victims report receiving cheap, flimsy chargers that perform no better than any basic charger, and sometimes worse. Some complain about slow shipping from China despite made in USA claims. Others report the charger overheating, not working at all, or breaking within days. Customer service is non-existent. Good luck getting a refund. The final verdict? The Magvolt Pro Charger is a total marketing gimmick and dropshipping scam. It's a $2 generic charger with impossible claims about battery healing sold at obscene markups through manipulative marketing. Don't fall for it. Buy from established, trusted brands instead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.